How to weld in the bush. Crash course. 2 gel cell, 2 cables, vice grip, and a guy that knows how to use it.
And welding rod.
And welding rod. And a guy that knows how to use it. And a vice grip to chip the flex off, or whatever they call it.
We actually have a chipping hammer available to us because one of the guys over there is a welder.
Yeah, but we don't want to use that.
Well, he said he had one.
Just lied.
Oh. Crap. There we go.
Something nice about the booster cables, you can disconnect quickly.
Yeah, you just pull. Good.
You getting that?
Burnt the flux.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
He's camera shy, you see. This is going on YouTube.
What, me buggering up the welding rod?
No, the old idea of welding things together in the bush. By the way, this is my sway bar connector that I foo-barred.
Woo! That's hot. These gloves aren't that thick.
You want the bigger ones?
No,
I got
okay.
construction gloves.
Hey Rick, there's coffee.
He doesn't need coffee right now.
We're turning right.
So how are we doing, Rick?
Well, we were doing fine till that happened.
You don't want to look at your eyes with that one.
What the hell?
It's called welding. Don't look directly at it, Wendy.
No, I know.
That's what's nice about having gel cell batteries in your car.
We're having someone with.
Well, like I said at the beginning of the video, is that what you need is 2 gel cell, 2 cables, welding stick,
And Rick.
and Rick.
Break the flux off.
Grass on fire.
Oh yeah, and that's it for the welding rod.
Yeah?
Okay. You got that water?
Where did I put it now?
That's what I'm asking.
Oh, there it is. Hold on. Put the fire out.
And then
Great welding job. Gets a little bit hot, doesn't it?
well, you need it to get hot.
And you don't want to cool it too fast because it goes brittle, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, this.
Oh yeah, vice grip and a rock. These are the other equipment you need.
Just to break the slag off. Check out the weld. Wow, it's ugly. It's a little bent.
But it's gonna work.
It should.
That's what happened when you buy 35s, and now you need to upgrade everything else.
Yeah, well,
Don't
upgrade certain things sooner or later.
So now we can put it back.
Yeah, this is still pretty warm. So.
Yeah. Well, I still got to put the battery. Well, thank you, Rick,
Hey,
the
no worries.
welder. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.